In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Whiteboard. The whiteboard is a built-in collaborative canvas that lets you sketch ideas, map processes, or jot down notes with everyone in your meeting. I'll walk you through getting it open quickly and offer a few tips so it works smoothly for you and your participants. First, start a Zoom meeting with your participants already in it. The whiteboard is most useful when others are present to see and contribute in real time. Make sure you're the host or a co-host, since those roles control access to features like the whiteboard. If you don't see whiteboard options later on, it can be because of account or admin settings, or because your Zoom app needs an update. Keeping Zoom current helps the whiteboard load faster and reduces glitches. Next, look along the bottom toolbar of your meeting window and move to the far right. Click the More button. Depending on your screen size, Zoom hides extra features in this menu to keep the main toolbar clean. If you're not seeing more, try maximizing your window or exiting full screen and re-entering it so the toolbar refreshes. Now hover over whiteboards in that menu. Hovering lets you preview the option and ensures you're selecting the correct feature. This is especially helpful if you have many apps or integrations enabled, since whiteboards appears alongside other tools. Go ahead and click Whiteboards. A new window or panel will open, showing your whiteboard dashboard. This view is where all your whiteboards live for this meeting and, if your account allows, across meetings too. It's normal for this to take a second to load the first time in a session. From here, click New at the top right to create a fresh whiteboard, or select an existing board if you've prepared one in advance. Choosing an existing board is great when you want continuity, like revisiting action items from a previous call. If you don't see the new button, you might not have the privilege to create boards. In that case, ask the host to launch one or adjust permissions. You've now activated the whiteboard in your Zoom meeting. Participants will see it appear and can follow along. Use the toolbar to draw, add text, drop shapes, or place sticky notes. If you plan to collaborate, check the sharing or collaboration settings so others can edit rather than only view. Keep strokes bold and text eyes for readability, and use color to group ideas. When you're finished, simply close the whiteboard to return focus to the meeting. You can come back to the same board later without losing your work.